The Kargil war was fought between India and Pakistan between May and July 1999 for almost a period of 3 months. This was fought in the Kargil district of Kashmir along the line of control. 527 Indian soldiers attained Veer Gati and 1,363 were wounded, which were not advantageous to us as the Pakistanis had occupied all the heights and we had to climb up the heights and recapture it back. So, the sacrifices made by the Indian soldiers, the efforts which they have put in are so immense that it is very difficult for us sitting in an air-conditioned hall here to just imagine the hardship which one had to undergo to recapture back and retain and to maintain and to protect the sanctity of the borders of our nation. Please always remember, there is somebody standing there, guarding there, who is guarding. Just because of their sacrifices, we are sitting here and enjoying this freedom. Let us remember that the nation's flag does not fly because of the wind which moves it. It flies with the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it. On this occasion, on remembering the sacrifices and hardships of the valiant Indian soldiers, let us all promise ourselves to make their sacrifice worthwhile by becoming exemplary Indian citizens and strive to work for the betterment of our nation. Jai Hind.
ये शुभ दिन है हमारा, लहरा लो तिरंगा प्यारा, पर मत भूलो सीमा पर वीरों ने है प्राण गवाए, जरा याद उन्हें भी कर लो, जरा याद उन्हें भी कर लो, जो लौट के घर ना आए, जो लौट के घर ना आए।
जय श्रीमान।
The third position, shot by bullet. He captured the final position, but he was shot on the head, sacrificing his life.
Sustaining multiple injuries, Grenadier Yadav struggled to stand up, lobbing grenades and opening fire at the enemies. With immense courage and valor, he captured the Tiger Hill.
हिंदुस्तान के सैनिक मरने के लिए नहीं, मारने के लिए पैदा हुए हैं।
He received the Paramveer Chakra at the age of 19, displaying the most conspicuous courage, grit, and determination.